the importance of furnace tune-ups in Gurnee, Illinois. As winter approaches, our trusty furnaces become our saving grace, offering us warmth and comfort. But much like any other relationship, our furnaces need care and attention to perform at their best. A well-maintained furnace not only keeps your home snug and cozy but also runs efficiently, helping you save on energy bills and avoid getting your furnace a regular tune-up. Is like giving it a well-deserved energy boost. An efficiently running furnace uses less energy to produce the same amount of heat, making it a win-win for your comfort and your wallet. Think of a furnace tune-up as an investment in the longevity of your heating system. Regular maintenance can add years to your furnace's lifespan, sparing you from the cost and hassle of premature replacements. A furnace in top shape is a reliable source of warmth. A well-maintained furnace distributes heat more evenly throughout your home, eliminating cold spots and ensuring consistent comfort. Regular tune-ups catch small issues before they escalate into costly repairs. By addressing problems early, you can avoid emergency service calls and the associated expenses. Comprehensive inspection. Our skilled technicians carefully assess all crucial components, ensuring that your furnace operates at its best. Cleaning and lubrication. We remove dust, dirt, and debris that can hinder your furnace's efficiency, and ensure all moving parts are well lubricated. 3. Filter replacement. We replace your existing filters with fresh, clean ones to maintain proper airflow and improve indoor air quality. Testing safety features. We conduct rigorous tests on all safety features of your heating system to guarantee it operates without any potential safety risks. At Optimized Air, we offer seasonal discounts on our tune-up services. Currently, we are offering $15 off all furnace tune-ups for new customers. Don't leave your home's warmth to chance. Secure your peace of mind and comfort by scheduling your furnace tune-up now. Contact our dedicated team via phone, email, or through our website to discuss your needs. Choose a convenient time and take the first step towards a cozy and worry-free winter.